My name is Alex, and I'm one of the lead 3D modelers and key resources you can access at TechCore to help take your new venture ideas from the ideation stage through to creation and finally, validation. With our 3D modeling and prototyping capabilities, you will be able to quickly converse about and visually represent your product to a variety of people in a rich media format that is perfect for communicating value and answering key questions. 3D modeling can help you and your team convey ideas more effectively and reduce the barrier of understanding for new products that you are bringing to market. Another advantage in 3D printing is the sheer material variety you have access to. An example of that can be found in this model, which looks like it was made by some conventional rigid plastic, but in reality, it was made by a flexible filament, as you can see here, which allows it to bend like this and then slowly come back into shape as I release my grip. And that's just one of the many examples of different materials you can use in 3D printing.
TechCore offers new venture development students the opportunity to realize product models quickly. Prototyping and designing in the digital environment allows new ventures to realize their product in rapid fashion. This means that your team can take iterative tweaks at a scale and speed that is cost-effective, exceptionally communicative, while offering critical validation. The ability to put a product in the hands of potential consumers and investors early in the new venture process is exceptionally valuable for communicating the vision and the benefit that you provide to a wider audience quickly.